The SHO filter is highly transparent, allowing the emission spectrum of the nebula to collect as much energy as possible by accumulating exposure. There is a higher contrast, and the level of nebula is richer and more delicate. The next is two SV905C guiding cameras. For affordable and precise guiding, you can't miss it. And this is not an advertisement, so many guys just want to get number 2 to get this camera. It's suitable for trekking, especially for film stars, and easy to set equipment up. The low read noise and the 75% QE peak on air glass windows make the SV905C a nice guiding camera for your astronomy trip. With a long focal length telescope, it's also a nice planetary camera, whatever for lunar sun photography. I see 204 10-15 magnifications Polo binocular. Some clear nights you will need one to enjoy the vast galaxy lying on a lounger. Won't say too much about this UV IR cut filter. You won't regret it if you have this for your astrophotography. Five lucky fans will get the participation award. Lens clean set. We don't have such a sample because we don't do clean. Thanks for your time and enjoying yourself.